Hey Cash App users, have you ever encountered the frustrating "your external bank has declined" error? Don't worry, because today we're diving into how to fix your external bank has declined on Cash App. Whether you're trying to transfer funds or make a payment, this error can disrupt your financial flow. In this guide, we'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to get your transactions back on track quickly and easily. Step 1. Verify your bank account details. First things first, double-check the bank account details linked to your Cash App. A minor typo in your routing or account number can cause the transaction to be declined. To do this, open the Cash App on your phone, tap on Banking, and then select Linked Accounts. Ensure every digit matches your bank account information precisely. If you find any errors, correct them and attempt the transaction again. Step 2. Check your bank status. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end. Your bank might be experiencing downtime due to maintenance or technical issues. Visit your bank's website or contact their customer service to check any ongoing problems. If that's the case, you might just need to wait it out until your bank resolves the issue, after which the declined transaction should go through smooth. Step 3. Ensure sufficient funds. One straightforward reason for a transaction being declined is insufficient funds in your linked bank account. Log into your bank account to confirm that you have enough money to cover the transaction, including any additional fees that may apply. If your balance is low, transfer necessary funds into your account before trying again on Cash App. Step 4. Verify transaction limits. Cash App and associated banks have transaction and withdrawal limits. Review both Cash App's and your bank's terms to ensure that you're not exceeding these limits. If the amount you're trying to transfer or withdraw exceeds these set limits, this could lead to a transaction decline. Contact Cash App support or your bank to inquire about increasing your limits if necessary. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If the problem persists, reaching out to Cash App support might be your best bet. Open the app, navigate to Profile, then enter the support section to chat or email their customer support team. Describe the "your external bank has declined" error in detail, and don't forget to mention the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Their team can provide more specific insights or escalate the issue further if needed. Experiencing the "your external bank has declined" error on Cash App can be frustrating, but it's not an insurmountable problem. By verifying your bank details, checking bank status, ensuring sufficient funds, reviewing transaction limits, and contacting Cash App support, you can resolve this issue and keep your transactions running smooth. Remember, staying informed and proactively managing your accounts are key to avoiding future setbacks. By following these simple steps, you'll be back to making seamless transactions in no time. Keep this guide handy and don't hesitate to come back if you encounter this issue again. Happy cashing!